Enhancing accuracy in due diligence processes. In the real estate industry, risk assessment and due diligence are essential components of every transaction. Whether it's assessing the financial stability of a buyer, verifying the legal status of a property, or identifying potential hazards, thorough due diligence is necessary to avoid costly mistakes and ensure the success of a transaction. Traditionally, these processes have been manual and time-consuming, requiring expertise and attention to detail. However, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, into risk assessment and due diligence processes is revolutionizing the way real estate professionals assess risks and ensure transactions are legally and financially sound. In this section, we will explore how AI is being applied in risk assessment and due diligence in real estate transactions, the benefits it brings, and how it improves the accuracy and efficiency of these critical processes. AI tools for identifying potential risks. AI tools play a crucial role in identifying potential risks by analyzing vast amounts of data, detecting patterns, and predicting future outcomes. These tools help real estate professionals quickly spot potential red flags and take preventive measures to avoid issues that could derail a transaction. Property title and ownership risks. AI tools can be used to assess the status of a property's title, identifying any potential encumbrances, disputes, or issues with ownership. By analyzing public records, historical ownership data, and deed transfers, AI can help identify issues such as title defects, unpaid liens, or outstanding legal claims that could pose a risk to the buyer or lender. Example: AI-powered systems can scan property titles and flag any discrepancies or potential issues in the chain of ownership. For instance, if a property is being sold by someone who does not have the right to transfer ownership due to a legal dispute or missing signature, AI can automatically alert the agent to investigate further before proceeding with the sale. Financial risk assessment for buyers. AI tools are capable of analyzing financial risk factors associated with buyers, such as credit history, income, debt-to-income ratio, and other financial data. By assessing a buyer's financial stability, AI can help determine whether they are likely to meet the terms of a mortgage or whether there is a high risk of default. Example: AI systems can assess the financial health of potential buyers by evaluating their credit reports, past payment histories, and loan applications. If the system identifies potential risks, such as a history of missed payments or a high debt-to-income ratio, it can flag the buyer as a potential credit risk, prompting further investigation before the transaction proceeds. Market risk and price fluctuations. AI can assess market risk by analyzing trends in property values and the economic factors affecting them. By examining historical data, market demand, supply, interest rates, and local economic indicators, AI can predict future price fluctuations and alert real estate professionals to potential market risks. Example: an AI tool may identify that property prices in a particular neighborhood are declining due to a downturn in local job markets or an increase in available properties. This insight allows real estate professionals to advise sellers or investors on the best time to sell or whether to wait for the market to improve. Legal and regulatory compliance risks. Compliance with local, state, and federal regulations is a key part of the due diligence process. AI tools can scan legal documents, zoning records, and municipal regulations to identify potential compliance issues, such as unpermitted improvements, zoning violations, or pending litigation that could affect the property's value or legality. Example: AI can analyze local zoning laws to identify if a property is in a zone where certain types of development are restricted. For instance, if a buyer plans to develop the property, but the AI tool finds that the land is subject to zoning restrictions, it can flag this as a potential issue that could complicate or prevent the buyer's plans. Enhancing accuracy in due diligence processes. Due diligence is a critical part of the real estate transaction process, requiring thorough research and verification of a property's legal, financial, and physical status. AI tools significantly enhance the accuracy of due diligence processes by automating the collection, analysis, and verification of data, ensuring that professionals have access to the most accurate and up-to-date information. Data aggregation and cross-verification. AI tools can automate the aggregation of data from multiple sources, including public records, MLS listings, and online databases, to ensure that the due diligence process is comprehensive. AI systems can cross-check data across different platforms to verify accuracy and identify inconsistencies, reducing the likelihood of human error and missed details. Example: when performing due diligence on a property, an AI tool can automatically cross-check the property's historical sale data, title records, zoning restrictions, and inspection reports, ensuring that all relevant information is captured and cross-verified. This automated process significantly reduces the time it would take to manually gather and verify the same data, property condition, and inspection analysis. AI tools can analyze inspection reports, maintenance records, and repair histories to identify potential issues with a property's condition. By leveraging machine learning and computer vision, AI can assess photos and videos from property inspections, automatically identifying signs of structural damage, mold, water leaks, or other concerns that may require attention. Example: during a home inspection, an AI tool could analyze images of a property and detect issues such as cracks in the foundation, signs of water damage, or electrical code violations. The tool would then flag these issues for further review, allowing real estate professionals to better advise clients on whether to proceed with the transaction or negotiate for repairs. Automating contract review for compliance. AI can streamline the contract review process by automatically analyzing contracts for compliance with relevant regulations, identifying clauses that may violate local laws or fail to meet legal requirements. This ensures that all transaction documents are legally sound and compliant before the transaction moves forward. Example: AI-powered contract review tools can automatically scan real estate contracts for missing clauses, discrepancies, or language that might not comply with state or federal regulations. If a contract includes ambiguous language or fails to account for important terms, such as required disclosures or contingencies, the AI system flags these issues for review. Risk mitigation through predictive analytics. AI-driven predictive analytics use historical data, market trends, and consumer behavior patterns to forecast potential risks. By analyzing these patterns, AI can predict which properties are likely to encounter issues, such as value depreciation, legal disputes, or difficulty securing financing. Example: predictive AI tools can analyze the likelihood of a property experiencing future price declines due to upcoming economic downturns or an increase in local crime rates. If the AI model predicts a high risk of price depreciation, agents can advise clients on potential risks and offer alternative properties. Benefits of AI in risk assessment and due diligence. AI significantly improves the accuracy, efficiency, and reliability of risk assessment and due diligence in real estate transactions. Below are some of the key benefits that AI brings to these critical processes. Improved speed and efficiency. AI tools can process and analyze vast amounts of data much faster than humans, drastically reducing the time required to complete due diligence and identify potential risks. Real estate professionals can complete these processes in a fraction of the time, enabling faster decision-making and quicker closings. Example: a real estate agent can use an AI tool to run through property title checks, legal compliance verifications, and market risk assessments in minutes, rather than spending days or weeks manually gathering and verifying the same information. Increased accuracy and reduced human error. AI tools are highly effective at analyzing data, spotting patterns, and identifying potential issues, often with greater accuracy than human reviewers. This minimizes the risk of overlooking important details, ensuring that no critical aspects of due diligence are missed. Example: when conducting due diligence on a property, AI-powered systems can analyze thousands of property records and transaction histories with greater accuracy than a manual process, ensuring that no vital piece of information, such as an unresolved lien or title dispute, is overlooked. Comprehensive risk identification: AI tools can detect a wide range of risks that may not be immediately apparent to a human agent, such as legal issues, financial risks, or market instability. By evaluating all aspects of a property, legal, financial, physical, and market-based, AI systems provide a comprehensive view of potential risks. Example: AI can assess market fluctuations, economic trends, and property features to predict whether a property is at risk of losing value. It can also identify whether a buyer may face difficulties securing financing due to their credit history or debt load. Cost savings: by automating risk assessment and due diligence, AI reduces the need for manual review and human oversight, leading to cost savings for real estate firms, legal teams, and investors. With AI, real estate professionals can handle more transactions without significantly increasing costs. Example: a real estate agency can use AI-powered tools to perform due diligence on multiple properties simultaneously without needing additional staff or legal teams, ultimately reducing overhead costs while increasing operational capacity. Challenges and considerations in using AI for risk assessment and due diligence. While AI offers significant benefits, there are also challenges that real estate professionals need to consider when using AI in risk assessment and due diligence. Data privacy and security. AI tools often handle sensitive personal and financial data, which must be protected in accordance with privacy laws and regulations. Ensuring that AI systems are compliant with data privacy standards, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, is critical for safeguarding client information. Example: when using AI to assess a buyer's financial stability or run credit checks, real estate professionals must ensure that the data is encrypted and handled in compliance with privacy laws to avoid breaches and protect client confidentiality. Algorithmic transparency and bias. AI algorithms are often complex and may not always provide transparency into how decisions are made. Additionally, if the data used to train the AI model is biased or incomplete, the system could produce inaccurate or biased results. Example: if an AI model is trained on biased data that overrepresents certain property types or neighborhoods, it may fail to accurately assess risks in other markets. Real estate professionals should be cautious of AI tools that may perpetuate these biases, especially in predicting property values or assessing buyer eligibility. Human oversight and expertise. While AI tools are powerful, they still require human oversight. Real estate professionals should review AI-generated insights, particularly when it comes to complex legal or financial risks, to ensure the final decisions align with the client's best interests. Example: AI can flag a potential title issue or zoning violation, but a human agent or legal professional must verify the claim and assess its implications before advising a client. AI's role in risk assessment and due diligence. AI tools are revolutionizing risk assessment and due diligence in real estate by automating data analysis, identifying potential risks, and enhancing the accuracy of transaction processes. By leveraging AI, real estate professionals can conduct thorough due diligence more quickly and accurately, ultimately reducing risks and improving decision-making. However, to maximize the benefits of AI, professionals must be mindful of potential challenges, such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the need for human oversight. When used effectively, AI-powered tools can provide a comprehensive, data-driven approach to risk management, ensuring that real estate transactions are legally sound, financially secure, and aligned with market conditions.